Hello, Thomas Sakov here. Welcome to the JV video of MailerKit. I'm super excited to invite you. This is a launch, it's going to be successful. We're following up on two successful launches on JVZoo. Prime Meet and Prime Host. Prime Meet did 100K, Prime Host did 200K during the launch period. A little bit more than that right now, maybe 210, something like that. It's two successful launches. We know how to convert, we know how to create great angles. You don't need to worry about the conversions. You just send the traffic and you're going to make good money. That's guaranteed. But let's put that aside, okay? That's a given. Let's talk about what we're offering here, what makes it special, and what you have, what's in store for you, the affiliates, as well as the customers. So let's start with the customers, okay? And what's in store for your customers. And you can, by the way, with a review copy, do the same thing. So we're offering the most cutting edge, the best, simply the best autoresponder solution in the world out there right now. Not just in cost, which is going to be for the launch period a one-time cost, and you know, autoresponders, to maintain them, and other autoresponders will charge monthly. So for that period of the launch, we're giving them it for one time. So that's a huge selling point on its own. On top of that, we have loads of features, right? People can start mailing just like any other autoresponder, far cheaper, but we also give unlimited leads and unlimited emails to these people. And they can start mailing and getting open rates and start. So in terms of the pricing, the offer is crazy. We give crazy value. But on top of that, what's really exciting in this one is that for the launch period only, we're gonna be giving people across all the offers, right? Bundle or front end, doesn't matter. You know, bundle is the best, obviously. We're going to be giving people their own IP so they can get started. So what normally happens in third-party autoresponders, you either use something like Aweber or something, which, you know, I use, great, you know, decent, I guess, decent minus open rates, but it's a shared type of email platform, which means multiple people are using one IP. And then on top of that, if you want to, you know, use other autoresponders, which I don't remember their names, you need to get SMTP, all that stuff. That's a headache, that's confusing for people, and that's extra expenses. We've combined it to basically this self-hosted autoresponder, right, with your own IP that we provide for you, that you can use and get the best reputation from the get-go. You control your reputation, but on top of that, you have all these features, drag and drop, HTML, all the features you can think of, the amazing features of email building and emailing, just like Aweber and any other one has, right? So we're focusing here about great delivery and open rates, but on top of that, we're also focusing on great pricing and a great market advantage. To combine these two together, you have a fantastic offer. People are going to swallow this, okay? We swallow it up. They're going to love this, okay? It's going to be definitely a very big launch, very successful, and people will see the value from the get-go. On top of that, of course, when you'll be promoting this, it's not a super cheap offer, right? We cannot afford doing the launch to make it like 17 or 27. You know, we're giving own IP and unlimited leads, unlimited, all that stuff we need to charge monthly anyway. But for the launch period, IP and all that stuff going to be one-time payment, going to be a low one-time payment. I think around 67, but we do recommend, we have 7 upsells. So we recommend people or affiliates who don't like this many upsells, or customers who just don't want to buy all these upsells and separate and go through them, to get the bundle deal. It's a hugely discounted deal. It's been working crazy for us. You don't even need to book a live webinar. You can just email the replay. It's been doing fantastic for us for the last few launches. I'm talking about on Prime Host, maybe, I don't know, maybe $80,000-$90,000 of all sales were bundle alone, right? And exclusives, which means if you mail the main sales page, they're not going to see the bundle deal. You'll need to have a special link for that, and of course hit us up if you don't understand. We'll prepare everything for you. You can run a webinar. It's ideal, but you don't have to, and we're giving you everything you need for a successful promotion, like bonuses, bonus page builder. We got 2 phases of contest in this one. It's a 6.5-day launch, a long launch, but 2 phases, so you can have multiple opportunities to win prizes. As you know from our launches, we also sometimes do nice commission bumps as well. So we're gonna do a lot of things to make sure you're gonna get paid more, and we're also gonna do a lot of things to make sure your customers get the best value, like free upgrades and stuff like that, premium support, etc., etc. So we're bringing this to the market, MailerKit. We're super excited about this. It's gonna be big for both affiliates, but also for customers, which is critical, right? We're gonna combine that USP and quality, okay, together. So people are gonna love this. So I'm asking you to please bookmark this date, and promote it. Promote it. If you need anything, we're preparing everything. We have a great system for delivering product. We also have a great system for converting your audience. We also mail naked links. Okay, so any sales that I make as mailing my list, or Firas mails list, then any sales that we make will come to you if you are cookied for them. You know what I mean? So naked links. We're just doing everything we can for you to make the most money possible. Okay, and of course provide quality. If you have any questions, make sure to hit me up. I'm super excited. Please promote this. This is going to be a great promotion for you, and that is it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.